See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
When someone is mad, that person doesn't believe he's mad. All the mad people you see on the streets, they think they are normal like you. They think they are okay. All those mad people you see walking, roaming around the streets, they think they are normal like you because their brain says, oh, I'm okay, I'm doing the right thing. But you that you are driving by or driving past, you see that, what is this man doing inside those bin? Why is this man eating food from the bin? What's going on? But the man that is mad, they didn't know any better. They believe, okay, that's the kitchen. That's where they are supposed to be eating from. So when I post video and tell you about what is going on in our country, and you are here to say, I see, shut up. Why are you talking about your country like that? Why are you putting your country down? You are already down. You are like that mad person eating inside dustbin and didn't know he's eating inside dustbin. That is what you are. Go and check. When you say you are giant of Africa, that means your life should be like, come to Morocco. You see Nigerians working here. They are the one cleaning the market. They are the one, the kind of job they do in Morocco here, you will feel sorry for yourself as a Nigerian. Is this my brother and my sisters that are doing this kind of job? And still yet, I check online, I check on paper, our GDP is bigger than their GDP. Many of you will even say their population is small. That's why they are enjoying. No, what about China? 1.4 billion. And they are living like a king. When you are a king, you are a king. We are kings and queens in Nigeria. We are supposed to be living the best life, not a dirty life.
Any day when I did work, duty, as an officer, I did with my rifle, I did work, make somebody video me. Make that oga, when give an order, someone at the video us. He go do your burial for you. He go bury you. Now he go bury you. So bad the numbers of how many una be una go keep away. Now he go bury una. Allah. They burn anybody where video me when I'm on duty. Performing my lawful duty in Nigerian government, Nigerian police for 29, 26 years, they will suffer. They suffer every time, every day suffer. Uniform, and if you buy nothing, if you do for, if you give us, if you do anything. None of no accountability for us, for any life. Who died to it, not be this one, the IG when just come new now. Begin they try to amend things. They help people. Look at people when their papa don't die since how many years. Who did this IG enter now? Begin give them their insurance, give them their benefit. Just the walk, monkey the walk, babu the chop. All my body now bullet shot, gunshot now full on. See they suffer, they look body. Look at my body. You think I was born like this? This is a gunshot. They burn anybody well. Just carry your camera. Watch me well, oh. Carry your camera. Come around anywhere I did. Come mistake video. If you don't do, I'll clear everybody down. The whole full boss. Anywhere, if except the person not stand near you when they video, I'll clear everybody down. I swear to God.
So when you are mad and you are in that dustbin, you don't think, when you are in that dustbin picking food, you don't know. You think, oh, I'm in the kitchen, I'm eating. Because you are mad, you cannot think. So many of you coming for me that know why you putting your country down. The country is already down. A country where a single man, Wike, can wake up and say, no, I'm going to destroy one party. A single man can wake up and say, no, one person is not going to be governor. That is madness. That is sickness. That is wrong. And you cannot see it. A country